Welcome to STEM Aavishkar, Mysore's first-of-its-kind education hub, where we transform students into future-ready innovators. STEM Aavishkar encourages critical thinking and the ability to solve real-world problems. STEM Aavishkar opens up a wide range of career opportunities in industries that are growing rapidly, from tech to healthcare, energy, and manufacturing and more. STEM education can be adapted to suit different age groups, starting as early as preschool and extending through high school and beyond. The focus is always on fostering curiosity, developing problem-solving skills, and engaging in hands-on learning that's appropriate for the child's developmental stage. We provide hands-on learning in cutting-edge fields like robotics and IoT, build intelligent machines and smart devices, artificial intelligence and machine learning, learn how AI is shaping the world, 3D printing, design and print real-world objects, drone engineering, explore the science of UAV technology, cybersecurity, learn to protect digital assets from threats, coding and software development, master the programming from scratch, Lego STEM, fun and interactive learning with Lego-based STEM kits, boot camps and workshops, short-term, high-impact programs for skill development. Why choose STEM Aavishkar? We provide hands-on training with 85% practical exposure, expert-led classes, real-world projects, future-focused learning, and lot more. Activities and events of STEM Aavishkar. Parents and students' testimonials.
ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ
बेसिक अच्छा इलेक्ट्रिक का और ब्रेड बोर्ड पूरा अच्छा सिखा रहे हैं.
ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್.
Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media for more updates.